Hi, I'm Chef Tony Matassa, the corporate chef for BarbecueGuys.com. Today I'll show you how to prepare catfish on an outdoor grill. Now, the first thing you'll want to do with catfish is pat it dry with some paper towels so that you don't steam the catfish. You're wanting to grill it, obviously. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat, 350, 425, somewhere in that area. A little olive oil. And these are just the seasonings that I'm using today, but use whatever you'd like. A little salt and fresh cracked black pepper to taste. Some garlic paste. A little cayenne pepper. Some paprika. And a little Dijon mustard. All right, just whisk all this together, and then you want to lay it out and spread it onto your fillets like this. And you just want to let them sit like this for 10 to 15 minutes while preparing your grill. All right, we'll just set these straight on the grill. You want to try to set them kind of diagonally. Just makes them easier to flip and to take off. Now when it's time to turn any fish, you just want to check it and see it should be about halfway through, should have turned color, the more cooked looking. You want to make sure that you're using a very thin spatula. You don't want to have a wide spatula, making it more possible that you're going to tear your fish. And the other thing is, give it a little test like that. If you have hot, clean, oiled grids, and it does what it just did to me, where it just sort of, it doesn't really want to come up, it's not ready yet. Let it cook a little bit longer. It'll caramelize under there and release from the grids, and then it'll be easier to turn. Now, we'll check them again. You see how they're releasing fairly easily. They're ready to be turned. Let them go for another couple minutes, and they'll be ready to come off the grill. All right, we'll check them out again, see how they kind of loosen up. Once you remove your catfish, you just plate them up like this. Put a little fresh lemon and a pat of butter on top of each fillet. And that is catfish grilled on an outdoor grill. I'm Chef Tony Matassa with BarbecueGuys.com.